Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Brandon Johnson here with Southern Star Roofing. We are actually roofing a large townhome. Let me show you guys what we have going today. This is a 3-foot story townhome, and this is actually the 4th or 5th one that we've done for this project management company, and we have about 12 more to go. But what I'm doing out here today is every time we sell a job, if you're the project manager on that job with our company, you have to go by and check the job every single day. And what we do is a job safety checklist. So we show up, and some of the questions, and that's what I'm out here doing today, is this job safety checklist. It talks about, is material stored at least 6 feet away from the roof edge? Are all the men properly harnessed in? It talks about equipment, making sure everything is in good working order, nothing's frayed, or items where you can trip over. So we come out here, and there's actually about 22 checklists that we make, we sign off on, and then we get our foreman who's on site, he signs off on it. It keeps everything accountable. We are an OSHA certified company. We respect OSHA rules, and safety should always be part of our delivery. So I hope you guys are having a great day, a great Monday. I hope you have a blessed week. Again, this is the townhome that we're working on today. We're Southern Star Roofing. We serve Charlotte, North Carolina, and basically anywhere within 45 minutes of Charlotte, even Fort Mill and Rock Hill, South Carolina. You can find us online at southernstarroofing.com, or you can call us direct at our office at 704-YES-ROOF. That's 704-YES-ROOF. Southern Star Roofing, over and out. Have a blessed week.